We have scent mail. Let's unbox this instead of worrying about being snowed in and out of her pretty packaging. This is a really cool little box, though. Paris Corner. All right, I'm gonna break it up. I broke it. Ugh. Yeah, really cute though, nonetheless. Oh, okay, here we go. Hey, check her out. Marshmallow Blush. This is a cute bottle. This little part's plastic, but hey, listen. What are we looking? We don't judge. This is glass, though. This is weighty. Can I smell anything? No, I most certainly cannot. Let me get my tester strip. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, I'm gonna pop the notes up, but I haven't looked at the notes in a while. I've seen them before, but ooh, she's a pretty princess. Oh, she's a marshmallow princess. Okay, so hear me out. If you thought Cake Temptation was too synthetic or too strong, because it's very strong. I have to layer it with things to tone it down a little bit, or I really have to be in the mood for strawberry shortcake, synthetic strawberry shortcake on steroids. I'm getting those fruits in the top, but it's 100% giving marshmallow fluff, but pink marshmallow fluff. Musky marshmallow, definitely can smell it. It's not all fruit, which I was so worried about. I didn't just want no marshmallow and just blush. I wanted marshmallow blush. And Paris Corner delivered with that, absolutely. I didn't put it on skin, but I have other things to smell, so once I'm done, this is going on skin. Absolutely. Absolutely beautiful Paris Corner. I am very happy with that. So I smelled bougie marshmallow in store. I wasn't super impressed because I didn't get that marshmallow coming through in the beginning. Now, did I put it on skin? No, I had camera on when I was shopping. But this is giving me that marshmallow that I didn't get, and I'm glad that they played that up so that it came off the opening, or came off the top in the opening, rather than just the pink fruit thing. Daisy from the future, this perfume is absolutely stunning. Like I said, I never bought the original, or the one that we all kind of are thinking that this is, modeled after. But when I saw the notes, I kind of had a feeling that it was at least loosely inspired by that. And this scent pretty much is a very fluffy, pretty well projecting, and actually very long lasting. Not beast mode, but it was definitely still on my skin when I woke up this morning, in my hair, on my hoodie that I slept in, and if that was well over 8 hours. So, I mean, if you overspray, you can definitely get, I would say, 4, 5 to 6, 7, 8 hours. The longevity was pretty moderate, but I really love it because it really does give you that marshmallow. It feels pink. You can definitely get that like fruitiness, and the Ambroxan just adds to the way that the scent kind of ascends and bubbles and translates around you. Because like Ambroxan, I love, but I know some people are super duper sensitive to it, and I don't even think you could really pinpoint it in this fragrance. It's just like a molecular musk if you're not aware of what it is. Definitely just more fluffy. I think it lifts the marshmallow and kind of like makes a more musky base. Now, if you don't like musk, I don't think that, again, Ambroxan or musk, I don't think it would put you off to the scent, because really I'm getting a fruity marshmallow. I could see where you could go into the kind of fruity cereal almost. It's not milky or anything. It's not creamy by any means, but it's fluffy. So really I'm getting more, the strawberry and the lemon and the raspberry are blended so that I really can't pick out any particular fruit more than the other. And the orange blossom again gives you like that kind of airy and sweet, but like a little tart too at the same time. So I really love this. Hands down, awesome launch. Doesn't need any maceration, but of course I can see it getting more powerful over time. But I'm gonna be in my pink era, definitely. Noble Blush came out and that put me in my soft girl feels, and this is definitely adding to it. So you want some sugar, you want some marshmallow, and you want to feel pink and girly and bougie. This is it. Paris Corner did a big one with this, and I will absolutely be rocking this. Winter, spring, summer, fall. I really think this could go through any season, because it's a fun, sugary scent. So with that, this was my add-on to my first impression after a wear test for over 24 hours, I would say, and I'm loving it. Absolutely. Doodle for now.